Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel Login 8. In this video, I will guide you on how to add long video on Facebook story. So if you also want to add long video on Facebook story, this video is just for you. Follow the simple steps and you'll be able to do it. So normally when you upload the Facebook story, Facebook does not allow you to add the long videos. But if you want to add the long videos on Facebook story, it is very simple. For that, first of all, what you have to do is launch open Facebook Messenger application on your device. Make sure you're logged into your account. You can see over here Messenger has been opened. Initially, you'll be in the chats interface. You'll be able to see all of your chats over here. Simply tap on the random chat. Now you can see over here that particular chat will be opened. Now at bottom, you'll be able to find several icons over here. What you have to do is find the icon for photo. Once you find it, simply tap on it. Now you can see over here, you'll be able to see all of your photos and videos over here. So simply select the long video that you want to add to the Facebook story. Simply tap on that video. After that, at bottom, you'll be able to find two options, edit and send. What you have to do is tap on the edit option that you can see at the bottom left corner of your screen. Now you can see over here, you'll be led to this kind of interface. You'll be able to find several options over here. At bottom left corner of your screen, you'll be able to find two options, sound and your story. Simply tap on the option your story. Now you can see over here, it has been added to your story. Let's go back. Simply discard the changes. Tap on the discard option. Now go back. Now simply tap on the stories option that you can see at the bottom right corner of your screen. Now you'll be led to the stories interface. Now you'll be able to see your story over here. Simply tap on your story. Now you can see over here that video has been uploaded to your Facebook story. So that is how you add long video on Facebook story. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel.